What exactly is herd immunity? We are going to be looking into that. And if you're watching right now, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right down there. You can get updates whenever I drop a video on YouTube. You can get the updates and be alerted right when that happens. Okay, herd immunity. You've been hearing a lot about this. And Dr. David Geier, he's an orthopedic surgeon in South Carolina. I talked to him. He's been talking to us on several occasions about the coronavirus and COVID-19. Some pretty interesting stuff he has to say. This could really help out society. It could help out the world. And it's proven. And it's different with different viruses. But COVID-19, he's been doing some studying and some researching. And he tells me exactly what herd immunity is and why it could take effect before we actually get a vaccine for COVID-19. Let's go ahead. Take a listen to this.
Herd immunity is a condition where enough of the population has contracted a disease and has developed antibodies or developed protection to it, that virus has basically nobody to spread it to anymore. And it doesn't have to be 100% of the population. Some diseases it's 75%, some it's 50%. It's largely based on what's called the R naught, which is an estimate of how many people an infected person can spread it to. When the coronavirus started earlier this year, we thought that it had an R naught of somewhere between 2 and 3. And so experts said 50 to 66% of the population would need to have antibodies to it. So basically the virus can't spread anymore. People are starting to scale that percentage number down. Some people are suggesting it's going to end up needing to be way lower than that. But it does work. Just 5 years ago, we had the Zika virus in Brazil. Companies put billions of dollars into creating a vaccine, but then Brazil reached herd immunity before the vaccine was ever developed, and it was never needed. So they never took it to market. That's very likely, not very likely, but there's a good chance that's what happens, that herd immunity comes about here faster than the vaccine is available for the public. And I think that would potentially be a good thing.
Yeah, there you go. Hearing from Dr. David Geier right there. So that is some good news when it comes to herd immunity. He explains what it is. He talks about it. He said it's a possibility that it could be here and help out before the actual vaccine is in place. So once again, go ahead, hit the subscribe button right down below, right there. Go ahead and click it. Hit the bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. We'll be updating the coronavirus, breaking news, much more as it happens.